What's up, YouTube? Moto Meat here. Found this subwoofer enclosure do-it-yourself box, screw-it-yourself box at Goodwill for 10 bucks, and I figured I would put it together and show you guys what's going on with it. So when I got this out of the box, it had like foam along all this, like double-sided tape-ish stuff. I suppose it was supposed to hold it together when you bend it into place, but I'm just going to use wood glue. So I'll try to get this set up somewhere where you guys can see. Let's see what I can do here. No, not looking good. Maybe I could set it there. Oh, Porky. Porky wants in the video. Porky. All right, so I guess what I'll do is just maybe... So what it says is to lay it out like that. And I'm just going to lay some beads of glue in here. Sorry, guys. Do some glue there. Do some glue here. A little there. Little here, little here, little here, and maybe be a little more generous on these here. Yeah. So this one, the angle of the sub goes backwards, like it's towards the back seat. So there's these little grooves right there, that hole, and it fits in there. So what I'm going to do is set it in there. Click it into its little home. Find it. Hold on. Sorry, guys, for the wild camera work here. Where is the hole? Should be about there. Okay, so we're in. And get this other one in here. You know, I'm gonna have to set you guys down. Might get some of it there. So then get this other side, line it up. There's that. There's that. Then we're gonna go like that and like that. Now those are in there. All right, so Porky, come on, watch out. Porky, come on. Porky, come on. Come on, Porky. Get off the box. She loves being in. Oh, here's some of the foam stuff, see? I just took it all off because I'm just going to glue it. I knew glue would be better. Foam is just generic crap. So, let's lay a nice bead in here. Lay a nice bead in here. Alright, and also go in here, little on both sides. No need not to get a little crazy on the glue, right, guys? So I guess this just kind of folds over the top of here. Not really sure what they want you to do. Oh, but I know I'm going to have to glue. Glue there, glue there, glue there. Probably be cleaning glue off the floor here, guys, for a second. Sorry, I blocked your view. I could see now, guys. So I laid a bunch of glue on here. Now I'm going to put it on there. It looks like it might have hit stop there when I set it down. That's awesome, guys. So we're going to maybe get this into place here. Oh, it looks like I got it. Then it has screws. Not really sure what's what, but it looks like there were screw holes here. And they're pre-drilled. looks like that goes there. That goes there. Can't see the holes here. Oh, I see a hole there. Where is it? There it is. The glue's coming out of it. Looks like I might be able to see some holes. I don't know. There's some there. Getting covered in glue, guys. Okay. Looks like it's coming together pretty well here. Oops. You could see the holes kind of get glues coming out of them, so I could see the holes there. Oops. Oh, I could see that I glued it fairly well from the inside. So, the one-handed drill, man. All right. Now it looks like I just got this edge to do. Oh, got a little glue on the bottom there from coming out of the... But I could wipe that with warm water. It's kind of hard to see the screw holes. Kind of not. It's not the easiest thing to see. I'm trying... There it is. Okay. Luckily, these are pre-drilled, obviously, or else it would be a mess. And obviously, the screws would just ruin the wood. I got this backside to do now. Oh, maybe I don't. I don't know where the rest of them... There must be 3 screw holes on one side, and I don't see it. Because I miss... It must be the front. No? Maybe? No? Huh, maybe they give you 2 extra screws, guys. That's what it looks like. So it looks like they give you 2 extra screws. And it looks like I'm already done. So that was quick. And you could see now I could get inside of here and do some glue. Get in here. This did pretty good here. Get in there and wipe it in there. Fabulous, fabulous. It's looking like most of it got it pretty good, but I'll add a little to all of the corners. If you wanted to, you could silicone maybe this in the end here, but I'm just taking a look at all these glued edges here and just laying a little extra down there. And that side didn't get done. It's just regular wood glue. Wood glue is quite strong. All right, maybe one more angle. No, it looks like maybe just this inside lip here that we can't see what I'm doing, but get it in here anyways. Wood glue wipes off with hot water, warm water, even cold water, I suppose, but looks like I'm all done, guys. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to get a rag and wipe it down. So I'm going to have 2 hands for that. So I'll end this video here. Looks pretty good, pretty simple. And I just got to clean up the glue. All right. Moto Meat out. Thank you for subscribing. Like the video. You guys are cool, man. I appreciate all you guys. Take care.
Have you been naughty or nice?